Squirrel-proof backyard bird feeders.
This feeder I found at the thrift store for $1. It had a plastic bottom to it. The squirrels chewed a hole in the plastic and all the seeds fell out. So I've been looking for something to cover the hole up with, so I decided to use some aluminum foil with an elastic around it. And then it didn't have a top, so I put a marble egg in the top to give it some weight. And this is my best squirrel-proof all-time bird feeder. And it was only $1. This bird feeder is my second favorite. I had to go to Coyles, C-O-Y-L-E-S, which is a multi-purpose store in Tillsonburg, Ontario. And it was $70. And they advertised it as a squirrel-proof feeder. So I bought it. And I like that one too. And then that one there is my third best favorite. And you can buy that almost anywhere. And there's a company in Quebec that makes them. And if anything goes wrong with it, they'll replace it for free, any of the parts. But that's a squirrel-proof feeder in that if the squirrels get on where the birds are, the doors close.
The birds that you see today are goldfinches, but sometimes chickadees, nuthatches, wrens, they all join in on the feast.